If you're over 40 and wondering why your body suddenly feels out of sync, like you're gaining weight for no reason, riding an emotional roller coaster, and still exhausted even after a full night's sleep, you're not alone. Modern research shows it's not that your hormones have gone rogue, it's that your daily rhythms, which are regulated by light exposure, meal timing, and stress patterns, are throwing them out of balance. And the best part is that you can fix this naturally without pills or restrictive diets. In this video, you'll learn 3 simple habits that can reset your cortisol, stabilize your blood sugar, and restore your hormone balance so that you can feel clear-headed, energized, and more like yourself again in just days. And at the end, I'll show you a 3-minute morning routine that sets your entire system up for success. But first, I want to say welcome to all my regular followers, and for those who are meeting me for the first time, I'm Dr. Laara Van Bryce. I'm a chiropractor and functional medicine practitioner, and I help women over 40 restore their energy, mental clarity, and hormone balance naturally. If you've ever been told everything looks normal, but you still feel tired, foggy, irritable, or just not like yourself, this channel is exactly where you need to be. Each week, I share real science-based strategies to help you uncover what's actually going on in your body. You'll learn how to rebalance your hormones, sharpen your focus, sleep better, and finally feel clear and energized again without relying on prescriptions or generic advice. So subscribe if you want answers that make sense, strategies that actually work, and you want to feel strong, sharp, and fully alive. Have you ever wondered why after 40 your body reacts differently to the same healthy habits? You eat well, you stay active, yet your energy dips, your sleep changes, and it feels harder to stay balanced. Here's what's going on. Around this age, your hormone levels begin to shift. Estrogen and progesterone start to fluctuate, and cortisol, your main stress hormone, becomes harder to regulate. These changes influence how you sleep, how your body uses energy, and how you handle stress. It's not about broken hormones, it's about timing. Your sleep, your light exposure, and your meal timing and composition have drifted out of sync with your natural rhythm, and your hormones are responding to that. The good news is that small, consistent changes can realign that rhythm and help your hormones do their job again. Here are 3 simple daily habits that you can start today that help reset your hormone rhythm naturally. These aren't complicated routines or long to-do lists. They're simple, consistent actions that tell your body you're safe, you're supported, and it's time to find balance again. Each one helps you realign your natural rhythm so that your hormones can work the way they're meant to, giving you more energy, steadier moods, and better sleep. We'll start with what to do first thing in the morning, then move into the first meal, and finally, how to wind down at night. Let's begin with habit number 1 because how you start your day has a direct impact on how your hormones behave for the rest of it. Habit number 1, morning light and movement. You might not realize it, but the first few minutes after you wake up set the tone for your entire day. If you usually grab your phone, check messages, or head straight to coffee under artificial light, your body stays stuck in a stress cycle before your day even begins. Here's why that matters. Morning light is the main signal that resets your internal clock, known as your circadian rhythm. It tells your brain to release cortisol in a healthy way, giving you natural energy instead of that wired, jittery feeling. It also starts a timer for melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep later at night. So here's what to do. Within 30 to 60 minutes of waking, step outside for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Get natural light on your eyes and move your body gently. You don't need a full workout. A short walk, stretching, or even just sipping your coffee on the porch works. This simple habit helps your body remember when to be alert and when to rest. And when you repeat it daily, your energy and sleep start to fall back into rhythm. Now that your day starts in balance, let's move to what you put in your body next because your first meal plays a bigger role in your hormones than most people realize. Habit number 2, protein first breakfast. What you eat first thing in the morning sends a signal to your hormones for the rest of the day. Most people start with coffee, toast, or fruit, which gives a quick burst of energy followed by a crash. That crash raises your cortisol and your insulin, which can leave you foggy, moody, and craving sugar by mid-morning. Here's why a protein-first breakfast matters. Protein slows digestion and balances blood sugar, which keeps insulin steady. When insulin is balanced, cortisol stays calm, and that means better focus, fewer cravings, and more consistent energy. It also supports your metabolism and helps maintain lean muscle, which naturally declines with age. So what does that look like in real life? Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of protein in your first meal. That could be 2 eggs with Greek yogurt, a smoothie with protein powder and berries, or leftovers from dinner. It doesn't need to be fancy, just intentional. By starting your day with balanced fuel, you set your hormones up for stability instead of stress. And when your energy stays steady, your mood and your metabolism will follow. Next, we'll look at the third habit, the one that helps your body recover and reset while you sleep. So habit number 3, your energy calming down ritual. How you end your day is just as important as how you start it. Many women go to bed physically tired but mentally wired because, let's face it, we've been scrolling through our phones or finishing work late into the evening. The problem is that these habits keeps cortisol high, which then blocks melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep and repair overnight. Here's why this matters. When cortisol stays elevated in the evening, your body can't shift into rest and recovery mode. Your sleep becomes lighter, your energy drops the next day, and your hormone balance continues to drift in the wrong direction. A simple evening ritual can help reverse that. About 20 to 30 minutes before bed, create a calm down ritual window with no screens or bright lights. Try journaling, gentle stretching, or sipping a non-caffeinated herbal tea while you dim the lights. This tells your brain it's safe to power down, which allows cortisol to fall and melatonin to rise naturally. This single change can improve your sleep quality in just a few nights. And when you sleep better, every other part of your hormonal rhythm starts to realign. Now that your body knows when to rest, let's pull everything together and talk about how these small daily habits over time create big results. So let's talk about rebalancing your rhythm and taking back control, because you don't need to overhaul your life or chase another quick fix to feel better again. Your hormones aren't the enemy and your body isn't broken. It's simply waiting for rhythm and consistency. When you step outside in the morning light, start your day with protein, and give yourself time to unwind before bed, you're sending a clear signal to your body. You're telling it when to wake up, when to stay steady, and when to rest. And over time, these small actions retrain your hormones to work with you, not against you. And the best part is how quickly your body responds. Within a few days, you might notice better focus and energy. In a few weeks, you may start sleeping deeper and feeling more like yourself again. These habits are simple, sustainable, and completely natural. Small shifts practiced consistently can restore balance, clarity, and confidence at any age. Now here's your bonus tip, a simple routine you can try tomorrow morning that starts this rhythm reset in just 3 minutes. If you only take one thing from this video, let it be this simple morning reset. It takes just 3 minutes, but it can change the way your entire day feels. As soon as you wake up, step outside, take a few slow, deep breaths, and move your body gently. You can stretch, walk in place, or simply stand still and feel the light on your face. That's it. 3 minutes of natural light and gentle movement tell your brain it's morning. Reset your cortisol and start your body's rhythm in balance. Do this every day for a week and notice the difference. You'll wake up easier, sleep better, and feel more grounded throughout the day, because it's not your age holding you back, it's your rhythm, and you can reset it starting tomorrow morning. Give these strategies a try and tell me which ones make the biggest difference for you. I'd love to hear how your body responds once you start bringing your rhythm back into balance. If you found value in this video, like and share it. It really helps get this information out to more women over 40 who need it. And if you'd like some help getting started, I offer a free 15-minute consultation, and you can reach me at the email in the description below. Remember to subscribe if you want answers that make sense, strategies that actually work, and if you're ready to feel strong, sharp, and fully alive again. In the next video that you should watch is this one right here, where you'll get a deeper look into how protein fuels your hormones, stabilizes your energy, and helps you stay lean and focused throughout the day.